with you my CMEC setup for the year. This is my binder with all of our program guides back here, and then this is my logbook with my lesson plans, and I will keep a log of our weekly lessons in here as well as pre-reading notes and any other things I want to record for the school year. So I'm going to show you the binder first. So when we open it up, I just have the sample timetable right here. I made my own, and I'll share a video of my timetable for the year in a little bit. But here's how I organized it. I just printed everything off, and then I used Post-its as tabs. So I have it organized just by like subject. So the program overviews are first, and I just have them separated by term 1, 2, and 3. And then I have our Form 1 guide, and I already read through and had just made a bunch of notes and highlighted. After that is our geography guide, and then the common subjects guide, you can see there. And then we have the artist study guides. We study one artist per term. We have 3 terms total. Let's see. And then after that is the hymns and folk songs guide. And then the modern language supplements. We have singing and solfege. Home and garden, and also scouting notes. And then these are the phonetic timetables that I printed off from the CMEC website. Sheet music. And then back here are just the retreats. There's the fall retreat and the CMEC 2020 retreat, and then there's the summer planning course paperwork back there too. I also have the handwriting program Beautiful Italics for Children printed off in a different binder, and all of our instruction for art is in a separate binder as well. So our art instruction is just in a separate binder, and I have it, and I'm going to show it to you guys with our art tubs for each subject. So that is the binder.